Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube. This is a new video about a new cleaner. This cleaner is very good. I found it yesterday. It is working very well. This cleaner clean mobiles, junk and reduce uh, lags. This cleaner make mobile work faster and clean junk. This cleaner is also lighter in size. Look, this is a very good cleaner. This is cleaning 1.7 MB. This is absolutely amazing cleaner. I think you guys should also give it a try. This works very well. This is good for low end phones and new phones. It's clean mobile apps, cache and other junk files. It also clear notification and junk notification, and it also delete duplicate photos, and it has a built-in battery saver, memory booster and other things, and it has a app lock system which locks private apps, and this can clear WhatsApp and other apps. Hope you guys like this video. If you are enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and like this video and share it with your friend and family. Thanks for watching.